viewers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to take a look inside and see what they sent us. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship it to you fast. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. I can't believe this month is just about over. It flew by. We got Prime Day coming up. They have Prime Day sales going on now, so you might want to get ahead before they sell out. And we have here, ooh, this should be a nice one. Graphic drawing table. It's from NearHub. Really nice. Passive styles. 8,192 pressure levels. 359 by 210 by 8 mm. 8 shortcut keys. You can program your Coral Paints or whatever you guys use. Photoshop and stuff like that. Do some NFT work. That's still around. But you can always do good old drawings, artwork. And a lot of places you could sell your art to. Or just post it on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Got the nice pen. Nice slim size. So we'll be hooking this up on the PC in a second. So you can use this for your any of the things, sign documents, sign contracts. Nice pen. You got the goodies in here. USB cable. And probably the manual. Should be this easy, just plug and play. You'll be good to go. Oh, here's extra tips. And a holder. Alright, good. At least it's in the bag. See, extra replacement tips. That's always a good thing. A little holder right here. I think that's empty. Yep. I think that box is empty. Now we get to look at the tablet. Graphic drawing tablet. I'll show you a brief little demo too. I'll use my Coral app, whatever it's called. There we go. At least I got these Velcro so you could tuck other wires with it. Here we go. Pretty long cord. Yeah, this is going to be a nice one to get. And we got the... Probably tell you how to program your shortcut keys and everything else. Replace the tips. Shows you down there also, so that'll show everything. That's Spanish. Where's the... There we go. Replacement core is 10. Pen clip 1. USB 1. Pen 1. Right there. Got that figured out. And now NearHub side. Not that heavy either, so you can take it on the road with you, and you'll be good. You can also edit thumbnails, make your own thumbnails and stuff like that, all that good stuff. Animation. Ooh. Oh yeah, I got the grips on the back. Or the slide, so it won't be sliding everywhere. Here's the back. See these little slip guards. Yeah, it's lightweight. Here's the tippy top. Gotta remove the film. There we go. Shortcut keys right here. Can remove this. Definitely remove this. Ooh, nice and shiny. Definitely remove that. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Like I said, we'll hop over to the computer in a minute. Just gotta grab these wires. Grab the pen. I don't need a pen clip. Keep that aside. I got enough stuff to hold it down. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, we got it right here installed. I mean, kind of hard with all the glare. See, but we got that. And now let me grab my pen. You can see it lights up and you can see it moving on the screen right by the lighthouse. Right up there. And now we're going to go to each one. File. Open. You get this going. Here we go. And now it's gonna be hard, kind of. Let me figure you guys out. Maybe I could do it like this, and you can see it on. You can just delete. Stuff like that. And you could draw, you know. I'm not a good drawer, so I'm moving that around. Change the color. See, I could do that. But you could program the keys right there. And you can see how smooth. So if you're a really good artist, definitely pick this one up. If you're a beginner, give it a try. Simple, easy to use. Like I said, you can store the keys, shortcuts. Make that. Hold it in. There you go. So like I said, simple, easy to use. There you go. Check them out, NearHub. Link will be down below. Be safe, have a good weekend, and see you guys soon.